Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into the world of chic and versatile tops, specifically tailored for one of the most beloved wardrobe staples, Palazzo Pants. Introducing the Bebonnie women's tops dressy casual ruffle blouses. Let's delve into why these tops are the best companion for your Palazzo Pants collection. Crafted with elegance and sophistication in mind, these tops are designed to elevate your style effortlessly. Here's what sets them apart. First off, let's talk fabric. Made from 100% polyester shell with a soft and breathable 95% polyester, 5% spandex lining, these tops offer both style and comfort. The chiffon material not only drapes beautifully but also adds a touch of femininity to your ensemble. Now, let's zoom in on the sleeves. The 3/4 bell sleeves are a standout feature of this design, adding a playful yet sophisticated touch to your look. The semi-sheer split ruffle sleeves allow for easy movement, ensuring you can go about your day with grace and ease. Wondering how to style these versatile tops? Whether you're heading to the office or a casual outing, the possibilities are endless. Pair them with your favorite Palazzo pants for an effortlessly chic look that's perfect for both work and play. Add heels for a touch of sophistication or opt for flats for a more relaxed vibe. In conclusion, the Bebonnie women's tops dressy casual ruffle blouses are a must-have addition to any fashion-forward wardrobe. With their elegant design, comfortable fit, and endless styling possibilities, they are truly the best tops for Palazzo pants available in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish.